We can take this ride wherever it goes, as long as you're with me. I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I wanna know. As long as you're with me, I feel at home.
Kia ora, welcome. Well, today we're passing through a place called Waihola.
Now, Waihola's not too far from where we live, and we love it because no matter what time of the year you get there, it's always different.
Look at the beautiful swing over there.
We left Waihola and headed for central Otago. The Roxburgh hydroelectric power station is one of the oldest in the country. It, along with others in the South Island, send most of the electricity that is generated to the more populous North Island. It's lovely, so we're just going to head into Roxburgh itself and park up the night at the local motor camp.
Yes, the motor camp. That'd be nice, so we can have some power.
Have some power. Once we parked up and powered in, we went for a walk. So there's some beehives there. That's something that I think if I had my time again I'd like to get into. A beekeeper.
Well, we found this really nice walk near to where we're staying, eh, Ray?
Yeah, it's called the Cycle Trail. We were on it a few weeks ago, but we were further down south here.
At a place called Pinder's Pond.
Yeah, but it's lovely.
It's lovely here.
Lovely day. Lovely winter's day.
The sun's even come out. And can you hear the water behind us? That's the bit I love.
Roxburgh lies in the Teviot Valley. During the 1860 gold rush, it was a very important centre. Now it's the capital of our stone fruit. It's a very important apple growing area. So right here is where the old dredge used to be. Used to dredge the river here back in the old gold mining days.
Right by that waterfall, this valley is huge.
We just had a nice dinner.
And we're watching a wee bit of TV. Well, we've been watching YouTube on our laptop.
Yeah.
We turned the TV off because it wasn't a great deal on, was there? Even
No.
though
There's-
we've got a heap of channels on it, but yeah. You're probably not aware, but here in New Zealand, we have a public holiday today. It's called Matariki. So it's there's not many people about at all. And this place where we're staying there's us and one other.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So not many people at all.
And that
Yes,
noise you
good
can hear, it's rain.
Yes, it started raining.
It started raining, but it is so nice and toasty in here.
Yes, it's lovely in here.
So-
We love it.
So I'm going to finish my cup of tea and watch Joe do the dishes. No. Oh no. You watch when I turn the button off here, she can tell me off.
That tomato smells nice, doesn't it?
Well, there's one there. Look at that. We had another lovely sleep.
Ooh,
I tell you what,
this lovely.
That bed up there
It's so comfy.
really is. I love it. Anyway, it's breakfast time.
Vegemite on toast.
And tomato on toast with a lovely coffee. Even though we're away, when Joe's on call, she still has to work.
This one's more timid. Are you the boss?
So we've just been for a bit of a walk. Lovely, this area. Nice crisp morning too. Although it's, having said that, it's just about to start to rain. So we're going to pack up and head away. We're going to go down to Winton, which is a couple of hours away, to watch a horse race. Well, we're heading home now because we've been to the races and we've got to get home because we're having a quiz night tonight with all the family. That'll be fun.
Yes. It's my turn to do the quiz.
Yeah, Joe's the quiz master, but I'm going to win. Anyway, it's a beautiful winter's day.
Time to do the emptying. And do the duties, eh Ray? You do the duty.
Yeah.
Good morning. I'm making a nice cup of coffee.
Yum. I think Joe's going to make me bacon and eggs.
No, we've got no water.
Oh, yeah. Akatore is a very significant wetland area on our south coast. We've had a few people ask if we can show them through Ladybird and, you know, what compartments and what's here and what's there.
So we'll do that at a later stage, eh Ray?
Yeah, we will.
We'll show you all through.
We'll make a video of it or a short video of it, you know. Anyway,
We love it.
we're going to hit the road. Not literally, but put the tyres, no, what is it? The rubber on the road.
The rubber on the road.
Yes. We arrived at Waihola so we could do the lake walking cycle track.
Is it living? That's what we want. We can make it by. I sea of loving, waves of light. We are sailing through the night, drifting through our open mind. In a supernova of love.
Look at all this traffic, for God's sake.
Well, we're back in the land of the traffic.
Yes, we're back in the land of the traffic. And we're going to go home now, and Ray's going to clean the van out. Well, that's it for another one. Yippee!
See you
Here's
on
to
the
the
next one.
next one.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I don't know.
It's all locked up. She's all locked up for the night.
We can take this ride wherever